Tuscany, a region in central Italy, is a dream destination for many. Renowned for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and exquisite cuisine, Tuscany offers a truly unforgettable experience. Here are the top 10 must-see attractions and experiences in Tuscany. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, Florence is home to iconic landmarks like the Duomo, the Uffizi Gallery, and the Ponte Vecchio. Siena, this medieval city, with its stunning Piazza del Campo, is famous for the Palio horse race and its delicious cuisine. Pisa, known for its leaning tower, Pisa is a charming city with a beautiful cathedral and baptistry. Chianti, a region famous for its rolling hills, vineyards, and delicious Chianti wine. Cinque Terre, a collection of 5 colorful villages perched on cliffs overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. San Gimignano, discover the well-preserved medieval town of San Gimignano, known for its numerous towers. Cortona, a picturesque town with stunning views of the Tuscan countryside. Val d'Orcia, explore the idyllic landscapes of Val d'Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its rolling hills, cypress trees, and medieval villages. Lucca, wander through the charming streets of Lucca, a walled city with a well-preserved historic center. Pienza, visit the Renaissance town of Pienza, known for its perfectly preserved architecture and delicious pecorino cheese. Volterra, explore the Etruscan history of Volterra and admire its medieval architecture. Montepulciano, explore the charming town of Montepulciano and taste the renowned Vino Nobile di Montepulciano. Montalcino, discover the home of Brunello di Montalcino, one of Italy's most prestigious wines. These are just a few of the many amazing things to see and do in Tuscany. With its stunning landscapes, rich history, and delicious food, Tuscany is a truly unforgettable destination. Saturnia is a charming town in southern Tuscany, renowned for its natural thermal hot springs. These mineral-rich waters have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties. The most famous attraction in Saturnia is the Cascate del Molino, a series of natural waterfalls where the warm, mineral-rich water flows into a series of natural pools. These pools are free to use and open to the public 24/7. If you prefer a more luxurious experience, you can visit the Terme di Saturnia, a spa complex that offers a variety of treatments and amenities, including thermal pools, saunas, and massage therapies. Tuscany, with its rich culinary heritage, offers a delightful array of baked goods. Here are some of the most iconic Tuscan baked treats. Cantucci, these twice-baked almond biscuits are a classic Tuscan treat. They are typically enjoyed with Vin Santo, a sweet dessert wine. Biscotti di Prato, similar to Cantucci but with a slightly different shape and flavor, these biscuits are often flavored with orange zest or anise. Ricciarelli, soft, almond-based cookies coated in powdered sugar, perfect for a sweet treat. Castagnole, these small, fried dough balls are often flavored with cinnamon and sugar, and sometimes filled with ricotta cheese. They are traditionally eaten during Carnival. Schiacciata, a flat, unsweetened bread that can be enjoyed plain or topped with olive oil, salt, and rosemary. If you're interested in learning how to bake like a Tuscan, consider taking a cooking class in Tuscany. Many cooking schools offer hands-on classes where you can learn to make traditional Tuscan pastries and breads. Here are some popular cooking schools in Tuscany. Tuscany offers luxurious cooking vacations in beautiful Tuscan villas. Cooking in Tuscany, Based in Lucca, this school provides a variety of cooking classes and food tours. Good Tastes of Tuscany offers hands-on cooking classes near Florence. Renting a villa in Tuscany is a fantastic way to experience the region's beauty and tranquility. These stunning properties offer privacy, comfort, and the opportunity to immerse yourself in the Tuscan lifestyle. Here are some popular villa rental platforms to help you find your perfect Tuscan escape. To Tuscany, this company specializes in luxury villa rentals in Tuscany and Umbria. They offer a wide range of villas, from cozy cottages to grand estates. CV Villas offers a diverse collection of villas in Tuscany, from historic properties to modern luxury villas. Oliver's Travels, this company provides a range of villa rentals in Tuscany, including family-friendly villas, romantic retreats, and large group accommodations. Airbnb, you can find a variety of villas and apartments on Airbnb, ranging from budget-friendly to luxury accommodations. By carefully planning your villa rental, you can create an unforgettable Tuscan experience. Tuscany offers a wide range of accommodation options, from charming boutique hotels to luxurious villas. Here are some of the best hotels in Tuscany, categorized by region. Four Seasons Hotel Florence, a luxurious hotel with stunning views of the city. Hotel Savoy, a historic hotel with elegant rooms and a prime location. Villa San Michele, a beautiful hotel with stunning views of Florence. Grand Hotel Continental Siena, a historic hotel with elegant rooms and a rooftop terrace. Palazzo Ravizza, a boutique hotel with modern rooms and a beautiful garden. Castello di Broglio, a historic castle converted into a luxury hotel. Villa San Nicolo, a charming villa with stunning views of the Tuscan countryside. Argentario Golf Resort and Spa, a luxurious resort with a golf course, spa, and private beach. Castello Banfi, a historic castle converted into a luxury hotel. Hotel La Marina, a charming hotel with stunning sea views. Hotel Porto Rocci, a luxurious hotel with a private beach. When choosing a hotel in Tuscany, consider your budget, preferences, and the type of experience you're looking for. Whether you're seeking a luxurious retreat or a more affordable option, you're sure to find the perfect hotel to make your Tuscan dream vacation a reality. Tuscany, with its rolling hills, charming villages, and rich cultural heritage, is a dream destination for many. By carefully considering these factors and doing your research, you can make an informed decision about whether living in Tuscany is right for you. Tuscany is renowned for its world-class wines and picturesque vineyards. Here are some of the most famous wine regions in Tuscany. 1. Chianti. Location: central Tuscany, surrounding Florence. Famous for Chianti Classico, a blend of Sangiovese grapes. Characteristics: medium-bodied red wines with notes of cherry, plum, and violet. Popular wineries: Ruffino, Antinori, Castello di Broglio. 2. Brunello di Montalcino. Location: southern Tuscany, around the town of Montalcino. Famous for Brunello di Montalcino, a 100% Sangiovese wine. Characteristics: full-bodied red wines with intense flavors of cherry, plum, and tobacco. Popular wineries: Banfi, Biondi Santi, Fanti. 3. Vino Nobile di Montepulciano. Location: southern Tuscany, around the town of Montepulciano. Famous for Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, a blend of Prugnolo Gentile grapes. Characteristics: Full-bodied red wines with notes of cherry, plum, and spice. Popular wineries: Contucci, Poliziano, Cinzano. 4. Bolgheri. Location: coastal Tuscany, near the town of Bolgheri. Famous for super Tuscan wines, such as Sassicaia and Ornellaia. Characteristics: bold, rich red wines made from Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and other international grape varieties. Popular wineries: Sassicaia, Ornellaia, Masseto. Maremma. Location: southern Tuscany, along the Tyrrhenian seacoast. Famous for red and white wines, including Morellino di Scansano and Vermentino. Characteristics: wines with a strong mineral character, influenced by the maritime climate. Popular wineries: Poggio di Sotto, La Macchiole, Tenuta Setzielli. These are just a few of the many wine regions in Tuscany. Each region has its own unique characteristics and produces world-class wines. When visiting Tuscany, be sure to take some time to explore the vineyards and taste the delicious wines.